Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing R2. We have issue 74 right here. We have our parts right here, and it looks like we have another panel for the body. So why don't we get this open and see what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have the left side body panel. We have a shoulder seal. We have the side internal and external grills, and we have the rear internal and external grills, along with 3 more of these panel connectors. All right, to begin, we're going to take the shoulder shield here, and we are just going to set it in here. And if you take a look, you got the 2 posts, you got the 2 holes. It all fits together nice and neat. We will not be screwing this in, much like the last one, but it does fit pretty securely even without screws. So, excuse me, so that's looking pretty good. I'm going to take these 2 pieces here. And much like before, you're going to take a look, and there is some writing on that. You want that to be facing you. And then you can line this up just underneath so that it fits together nice and snug, just like this. And when you flip it over, you've got these 2 little holes. That's where these tabs go in. And 2 little holes there. That's for the screw posts. So we'll slide this puppy in. Try to slide this puppy in. Wow, that was a pain, man. This one here just did not want to slide through this little clip here. So, but we finally got it in, and it's definitely looking nice. Didn't push too hard, so no stress marks. That's good. And then we're going to use 2 4mm black screws right there to secure it in place. All right, look at that. Nice and pretty. Alright, for this next part, what we'll do is we'll take these 2 pieces here, and on this one, if you take a look, there is definitely some writing on it. So we'll have that facing you. Make sure that this horizontal piece here is facing towards the bottom, and you can just slide it in place, and it should fit flush. There you go, just like that. So when you flip it over, all of these holes are nice and covered. And those 4 screw posts there are going to go into these holes so that it fits nice and flush. And on this side, we've got the 4 bases. And we're going to use the thinner 6mm screws, the ones that are 2mm wide. And there it is. Would you look at that? Nice and pretty. All right, for this final stage, what we're going to do is we're going to take these 3 posts here, and we are going to put these connectors on. And just like before, you can see there are some arrows on there. Wow, that's really hard to see. There we go. Those arrows are going to face away from the piece here, just like this. We're going to use the thicker black millimeter screws, 6mm long, 2.3mm wide, to attach them. All right, and with those in place, we can bring in the body section from before, and these will slide right in. And just like before, the thicker 6mm black screws. All right, now it's in place. And if you take a look, this is actually pretty flush. So from the previous one, where this is not flush, that's actually really kind of concerning me a little bit. So I'm gonna have to take a look at that. But this looks wonderful. You can barely even tell there's a seam on this side. And that actually completes stage 74. And there you have it. Stage 74 is complete and looking wonderful. R2's body is certainly coming together. I can't wait to get a little more of this done. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.